Welcome to the HardReset channel. Today I'll show you how to create and use macros on the HONOR X5c Plus. I will be using the Automate app, so let's first install it. Go to the Play Store and press on search twice. Now type Automate. Here it is. Automate by LlamaLab. Make sure you install the right app. Press install. So now that it's installed, press open, read through, press accept. Then to create your own macro, press the plus, as this is your blocks. Flow beginning will start your macro. To add more blocks, press the plus. Look for the blocks you need. There are way too many to go on over in this video, as this app has many possibilities and it's very dangerous in the wrong hands. But I recommend playing around with it because it's fun. Let's create a simple macro that will just open Google Chrome. Go to Apps and scroll down until you find App Start. Click on Start App and then press Pick Activity. I'm looking for Google Chrome and scroll down. Here it is. Press on Chrome and press Save. Then connect these two blocks together, and we also need a flow end condition. So let's press the plus, press search, type flow stop, and connect these two blocks together. So just like that we made a simple macro. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the HardReset channel for more videos, leave a like, leave a comment, and goodbye.